Hi, are you looking for salary sheet in Excel? Then this video is for you. Here I have some data where I have employee name, basic salary, and I want to calculate the net amount paid to an employee. So for that first we will collect HRA, and for HRA you have to apply the formula. Select the cell where you have basic salary and multiply it to 40% and press enter. You can see that HRA is being calculated. Now for DA you have to do the same thing. Select basic salary and multiply it with 15%. DA is being calculated. Now the gross salary is basic salary plus HRA plus DA. So the gross salary is calculated, and from this amount PF is deducted. So first of all you have to calculate the PF amount. So the PF amount is basic salary into 12%. Now the PF is being calculated. So the net paid amount is gross salary minus PF. You can see that net payable salary is being obtained for one employee, and copy same formula for rest of the cells. You can just double click here. If you want, you can validate this calculation from your calculator and check if Excel has performed the calculation correctly or not, or if you have made any mistake. This percentage deduction is taken from the latest approval of 2025. I hope you have understood the calculation. If you have doubt, you can rewind the video and see it again.